Studies confirm that when a person gets a job or a promotion, 85% because of his attitude, only 15% because of his knowledge or intelligence. The same principle applies to our life. In life, our success depends mostly on our attitude. In order to be successful, what we need to change is to change our attitude, and success will follow. Benefits of a positive attitude. Benefits for you: 1. Gives you a pleasing personality. 2. Energizes you. 3. Increases your enjoyment of life. 4. Inspires others around you. Benefits for an organization: 1. Increases productivity. 2. Fosters teamwork. 3. Solves problems. 4. Increases profits. 5. Reduces stress. 6. Helps in maintaining better relationships with employees and customers. Consequences of a negative attitude: 1. Leads to stress. 2. Leads to bitterness. 3. Health problems. 4. Lowers productivity. When we become aware of our negative attitude, why don't we change? This is because it is human nature to resist change. We like to live in our comfort zone, and so any change, even if it is for the betterment, we tend to resist. If we change our attitude, we will change the way we act. And when we change our actions, we change our results. Winners don't do different things, they just do the same things in different way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.